You said never, never would I leave. Here's a tear from me to you, and maybe it will make you hear me. I loved you. You didn't feel the same. Though we're apart, you're in my heart. Give me one more chance to make it real.
Alam mo na yung tanong, gusto mo ulitin ko pa? Okay, what is your answer to the question?
In a dream, you are here.
Katulad po na
You smile and hold
very
me
colorful. So,
near,
ganun din po yung buhay ko.
and in my heart I pretend that you are here
Pero ngayon, nasa kadiliman
again.
po, katulad ng paru-parong
Hear me crying now.